Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with stampin'crew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Want to welcome you all to our third project using the gorgeous, beautifully penned designer series paper from our Sale-a-bration catalog. So during the month of August and September, we are having a celebration. So for every $50 or $100 you spend, you get to choose something for free out of this Sale-a-bration catalog. So I am featuring the gorgeous, beautifully penned paper. I've shown it a couple times. I'm going to show it to you real quick. You get 4 sheets each of this pattern with the fun scallops on the back. This one with the stripes and watercolor background with a floral polka dot pattern. And then on this one, it's a fun leaf pattern with polka dots on the back. Okay, I am pairing this paper with the hand pen petals bundle. Say that like 3 times fast. That's hard to say. Hand pen petals bundle. I don't know, I can't do it. So I love this set. I've used it lots of times. I've been using it in classes. And it's just pretty, and I love the font. I really love that font. Yeah, all around great stamp set to have. I love the dies, so we're going to use one of those today. All right, so let's get to it. We are just doing simple, gorgeous designer series paper cards this week. So I've used a half sheet of basic black, and this is just cut 11 inches by 4 1/4. So we're going to do that in half. And then I have a piece of basic white layered on a piece of Poppy Parade. I love Poppy Parade. I also cut another piece of basic white to go on the inside. So I'm going to put that in first before I forget. All right. I've got to have something inside to write on. Okay, before I glue this on, I'm going to do just a little bit of stamping. So I'm using Memento, and I thought this would be a pretty get well card. So I'm going to just do Feel Better Friend on the bottom right. And then the stamp set has this fun kind of little polka dot pattern that actually goes on this little flower, but I'm just going to use the little dots. I'm not going to put it on the flower, but I'm going to stamp it off once because I just want it kind of like, I don't know, kind of a little filler background, but I don't want it super dark. So I'm just doing it kind of light, and I'm going to try it going up that direction. We'll see how that goes. All right, I think that's all the stamping I'm going to do. Now I have a couple little pieces of paper. Here's one. I had a piece of striped paper. Now looks like I've lost my striped paper. I don't know what happened. Oh, here it is. It's on the floor. I found it. Okay. So let's just put this on. I'm going to put this on right above my sentiment, flush with the right side of my white cardstock. Then I want a little bit of this polka dot paper because I love polka dots. I'm going to overlap it just a hair. Right there, and then I have a piece of black glimmer paper. I love this. Love, 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 love glitter paper. I wish we had glitter paper in every color. Mostly white and black though. I'm a little shaky. What's going on? Okay. All right, so we have 3 little strips there. And at this point, I think we can adhere this to our Poppy Parade. We're doing black and white with the pop of color today. And let's just put this on our card front. All right, got some sticky, a little extra sticky there. All right. Measurements are going to be on my blog, so you can click the link below and in the description of the video, and you will be able to find all the measurements and supplies. Not many supplies, mostly measurements. All right, now one of the dies in this set cuts out this beautiful little floral pattern. Isn't that pretty? Looks better there. It's hard to see on my hand. Okay, so I die cut this at a Poppy Parade, and you can have it going any which way you want, but I'm just going to take a little bit of Tombow, and I probably could have used some adhesive sheets, which I always think of later and just completely forget. I need to put those out in my room so I can see them better and keep them in the front of my mind. I'm just putting a very light few drops here and there of Tombow, and I'm going to just glue that right there. If you just use a teeny bit, it's not going to get out and make a huge mess. I think the tendency is to just use too much, and the goal is to use less is more on this one. Okay, so let's add a few rhinestones just for a little extra bling. Why not? I think we'll do the big one, we'll do the medium one down here, and we'll do a small one right there. I think that looks good. Okay, oops, I'm all over the place here. And that's it. I mean, how quick and cute is that? Black and white, a little pop of color, and some bling. I mean, you know, you can't ask for anything more than that. Okay. Well, thanks everyone for stopping by today. Remember, with a $50 purchase, you can get this gorgeous paper for free. If you don't have the Hand Pen Petals bundle, it's $46.75. So if you were to just add a pack of that black glitter paper or a pack of rhinestones, even a memento pad, that would get you to that $50 level, and you can get these 12 sheets of gorgeous designer series paper for free. Okay, make sure to check back on Thursday. We'll have a new project using a new product from the mini catalog. We'll be focusing on a stamp set. I'm not sure which one. You'll just have to check back Thursday to see which one. All right, thanks everybody, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.